Okay, I want to do a real quick unbox of the MX410 by Cougar. I didn't see any reviews online, so I thought I would just open it up for you and let you see what it looks like. So the box looks fairly small compared to my Corsair mid-tower box. A little bit of padding. Feels very light. Very light. And there it is. This is the Corsair MX410. I see 1, 2, 3, 4 pre-installed fans. I have the glass here. On the top, you have, looks like 2 USB 3.0s and 2 USB 2.0s. It's a very clean case. Looks like thumb screws here on the back. Feel kind of like plastic. Very light. One piece. See on the top it has mesh with the magnet. These look like just breakaways. Very light. This has got to be, wow, very light case. Okay, so that's just a quick look. I'm going to do a build inside of it with just some old computer parts just to see how it's running, and I'll come back and show you what it looks like. Thank you.